Well, everybody, welcome to week 6 here in criminal investigation. I'm actually moved inside to shoot this video. I was outside earlier doing the one for my other online class, but while it's much cooler outside than it is in my office, the bugs were starting to get to me. Between the ants and the mosquitoes, I decided to opt for shooting this in the classroom. The office was only 94 degrees when I arrived this morning at 7:45, about 45 minutes ago. It's probably 95, 96 now. But on an up note, while I was sitting out shooting the previous video, the AC man came, and he should have the new unit installed today, and when I return to work on Monday, it should be nice and cool in the office. It'll be nice to be able to work where the computers actually work. It's kind of been funny when you go to print something. It was so hot in there, it would print 1, maybe 2 pages at a time, and then you'd get the message that the printer had to cool. So you couldn't print a whole bunch, which made it kind of difficult to prepare all those envelopes for y'all for your mock crime scene. But we got it done anyway. Okay, with that said, let's go ahead and get started, talk about what's going to go on this week. Let me move myself out of the way. Well, first thing, Monday, you have your your second exam. It's going to be the same format as before, opening up on, and it says Wednesday there, but I'll have to get that changed to Monday. It will open up at 12:01 a.m. and close at 11:59 p.m. You'll have 50 questions on the test, and you'll have 50 minutes to complete it. We had really good scores last time. Let's go ahead and keep up the good work. You can find the review for the exam on the exam tab. Also, you probably want to know what the bonus question is, so I'll go ahead and give that to you now. I want you to tell me what is the most common of the 3 major type of fingerprint patterns. Now, we mentioned this when we were preparing to do our mock crime scene, but if you don't remember from there, you can go ahead and look it up online. The question will simply be, what is the answer to the bonus question from the video? Simply type your answer in there, and you will be good to go. Okay, also this week, you'll have also due on Monday is discussion number 5, and we'll scroll down to it. Again, this is going to be another one of the discussions where we're going to look for newspaper articles, preferably Texas cases or Texas articles. We're covering topics: cold case murders, serial killers, domestic violence, stalking, elder abuse, and kind of repeats there. So look for an article, again, preferably in Texas. Do about a half-page or page summary of that, posting it directly into the discussion, not as an attachment. Get that done by midnight on Monday. Get the follow-up post done by midnight on Wednesday. So make sure you get yours in early enough so people can do the follow-up post. Had some interesting articles last time. Should have some interesting articles this time. And again, I would much prefer Texas articles. I know 1 or 2 were not able to find Texas articles last time, but look for something in Texas first and then move on. Okay, and the next thing we have is for Wednesday night, we're going to be looking at Chapter 8 on death investigation. So watch the video, read the chapter in the book, and then take the all-important quiz and complete that before midnight on Wednesday. Keeping in mind that we do have deadlines, same thing with the discussions that need to be met. I've got one student, I think, in this class who's at risk of losing points off the final grade because of not completing discussions. So make sure you're done. Also, the other point is you can't take the exam until you get those discussions done. So be sure to get everything and the quizzes done on time. Well, okay, that about wraps it up for today. Y'all, excuse me. Remember one more thing. Got your reports in. Everybody got their crime scene report in. I will be grading those next week. I will be away this weekend on a double birthday celebration. I'm taking my granddaughter on a camping excursion because her birthday's on Sunday. We're going to Jellystone Park, and it's Yogi Bear's birthday. All right, so we'll be celebrating that. Though she's afraid of people in characters in costumes, so she probably won't get too close to Yogi. But anyway, I will not be grading papers this weekend. I'm sure I will be spending more time in the water park than I want to, but when you have a 5-year-old, you kind of, especially if it's a grandchild, you kind of have to spoil them when they're that age. So anyway, y'all have a wonderful week, and good luck on the exams. Let's hope we have as good or even better grades on this exam than we did last time.